Mitigation is the practice of decreasing or minimizing the impact of risks and potential undesirable outcomes. Mitigation of reputational risk entails developing strategies and activities to prevent or control circumstances that could impair an organization's reputation. Here are some main mitigating measures for minimizing reputational risk. Proactive reputation management. Implement a proactive approach to reputation management by actively monitoring and assessing potential threats to the organization's reputation. Conduct regular reputation audits to identify weaknesses and areas for development. Create a complete reputation management plan that includes strategies, policies, and procedures for dealing with reputational threats successfully. Strong ethical framework. Create and support a solid ethical framework within the organization. Clearly identify and explain the organization's values and code of behavior. Ensure that employees, management, and stakeholders understand the importance of ethical behavior and the potential influence on the organization's reputation. To encourage ethical actions, give ethics training and awareness initiatives on a regular basis. Crisis management planning. Create a solid crisis management plan to effectively respond to reputational issues. Identify potential risks and scenarios that could hurt the organization's reputation, and define clear actions and responsibilities for crisis management and communication. Designate crisis communication trained spokespersons to ensure quick and accurate messaging during crises. Stakeholder engagement. Develop and maintain solid relationships with important stakeholders like as customers, investors, employees, and the community. Engage with stakeholders on a regular basis to learn about their expectations, concerns, and feedback. Establish methods for open and transparent communication with stakeholders, addressing their requirements and proving the organization's commitment to their interests. Employee training and engagement. Invest in extensive employee training programs to ensure that they understand their responsibility in protecting the organization's reputation. Provide instruction on ethical behavior, customer service, and crisis management. Encourage employees to take ownership of their activities and their impact on the organization's reputation by cultivating an engagement and empowerment culture. Social media and online presence management. Manage the organization's online profile proactively, including social media platforms and online review sites. Monitor social media outlets for potential reputation issues and respond quickly to any unfavorable comments or disinformation. Create standards for appropriate online behavior for employees and establish consistency in messaging across online channels. Continuous improvement and learning. Evaluating and reviewing the effectiveness of reputation management techniques and mitigation initiatives on a regular basis. Analyze previous events or near misses to discover opportunities for improvement. Keep up to current on evolving trends, technology, and best practices in reputation management in order to adapt and improve the organization's risk mitigation methods. Partnerships and collaborations. Establish strategic alliances and cooperation with organizations that have a good reputation and share your beliefs. Alliances with respected entities can serve to improve the organization's reputation while mitigating the dangers associated with undesirable relationships. Media relations. Develop positive ties with media outlets and journalists. Engage the media actively to convey positive stories, accomplishments, and projects that correspond with the organization's values. Establish a reputation as a credible source of information and media guidelines for handling queries and interviews. Monitoring and early warning systems. Implement monitoring tools to detect early symptoms of reputational risk. Monitor media coverage, social media trends, and industry changes to uncover potential issues that may have an influence on the organization's reputation. Implement methods for employees and stakeholders to report potential hazards or concerns. By employing these mitigation techniques, firms can effectively manage risks and retain a positive reputation. Remember that risk management is an ongoing activity that necessitates constant awareness and adaptation to new problems and opportunities.